Here I have Ford Expedition 2007. I've been hearing grinding noise in it. It's Expedition 2007 EL, and I'm gonna allow you to hear the noise I had. Throttle in, then increase. When I let go of the throttle, then it decreases. So I'm throttling in. Now I let go. When I'm going downhill, then it holds steady. But when I push throttle a little bit, it changes. I determined it's the differential in the rear. So I bought a used one from Florida, low mileage, for $450 shipped. And to do that, I took the tire off. And I have to take, well, how I do it, maybe all the way from other people. How I do it, I take the brake caliper off. I have to take this one here off, and I will take this one off, and also this one here. The reason doing that, I have to take the shaft off. So I will line it down here to take the shaft off here. And then when both shafts are out, I drain the oil, I lower the differential. Well, I have to take the drive shaft off too, of course. Maybe not, of course, but that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna allow you to be with me while I'm doing that and try to explain as much as I go. First thing, brake caliper off, 2 bolts here. So, this one here. And that's it. off. Now let's take this one. There it is. Then I need to take this one off. It's almost off. A little bit difficulty. I'm gonna take this one also. It's only 2 bolts here. These 2 here. Let's see. Next thing, drive shaft off. Now I have to take these bolts out on the side. 1, 2, there are 2 up here. 1 here and 1 here. There they are, on the side. So let's do that. I took the spare tire off, and now it's a bolt here. There's a bolt here, but I'm gonna jack it up a little bit up here before